we start at the Fat Cat, we take a coach trip out to join a party boat. Have a trip out to sea. There's plenty to drink, lots to see. You can have a swim, it's amazing. And then there's loads of entertainment all the way along. And Dobberden.
Dobberden, everybody. You might have noticed that half-hearted Dobberden just then from Andrew. Yesterday he had a few teeth out, so he's feeling a bit delicate.
Yeah, can't talk very well.
So he might not be talking much going forward for a few days. So I'll have to do all the talking.
So that hurts.
Never mind, you'll be all right, you'll survive. Anyway, introductions aside, we've got an exciting afternoon planned, everybody. We're outside the Fat Cat. This is the meeting point for the party boat that Lee Heaven, the DJ from Fat Cat, is organised. So there's quite a few people going on it. There's going to be swimming, dancing, bingo. Oh, it's going to be exciting. And we're going to be there to film it for you guys so you can see what excitement you can have if you come on the party boat. Oh, this is great. You get a shot to start the party off while you're waiting to go catch the bus. Yeah, Don.
Yeah, all right.
Have your party shot.
Oh, cheers. Cheers, Lee. Now starving.
Well, here we are, just waiting for the bus and the group to come along. The bus picks you up outside the Glavers Hotel, so that's not far to walk from the Fat Cat. So it's going to be a brilliant afternoon, I think. The sun is shining. Oh, it's going to be gorgeous. Have a good time, everybody. Have a good time, everybody. Wait for the camera. Be counting like the school teacher, looking after us all.
Don't put me off.
Right, here we are, we've made it to the party boat. It's this big one. Wow, that looks exciting, doesn't it?
So if you want to just keep your food vouchers safe, take a seat for the moment, okay? Because you can't go on the other decks yet. We're just going to do a safety lock and safety briefing, so take a seat. Too intoxicated, they can refuse you to go into the water, okay? Life jackets, okay? Let's show these little things. I'm not going to demonstrate it, because they ruin my new shirt. Life jackets is situated.
This is a great trip on this boat. You get free drinks. I've got a lovely sangria instead of beer. Makes a nice change for me. Oh, that's really nice. It's quite strong. The boat's wobbling, not me, everybody. It's not me.
The boat is definitely wobbly.
Stop and shallow water.
We have our screen with there, Sam. Only this side can see though. Here we go. 6 and 2, 62. 1 and 6, 60. 6 and 4, 64.
And there's a fun music quiz. Unfortunately, we got the lowest score.
If you're enjoying the video, please hit that like button. Nitisni Butona.
Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I said before. Is that a present or?
This was fun, climbing down the steps into the water, but it is very safe, everybody. It's a net with a closed buoyancy aid around it. Oh, it was lovely being in the sea, having a nice swim.
She's forever saying, oh, it's not me.
And if you're brave enough, you can go down this great water slide.
You're the man behind this adventure this afternoon. Why did you start the party boat?
Basically, I had a vision. It was about 4 years ago, because there's boat trips at the moment. Like there's ones in the morning, it's focused on the kids. There's rave boats, which are like 18 to 30s, or more chill boats, which I love, but there's nothing sort of in between that I personally would enjoy as well. So I wanted to create something for families, older ones and youngsters that I personally would enjoy, or my family. Matt Branch, that runs Party Crew Travel, I spoke with him last year, told him the vision. He's like, come on in, let's give it a go next year. So we were going to start in July, focused on the kids with like music bingo, mini disco on the way back. When they break up, I said, well, I really would like to try, shouldn't say, but over 30s, not over 30s, but the style of boat. So well, we got it till June, let's give it a go. So they won't mind doing bingo on board, and music bingo quiz, line dancing, that sort of vibe.
Yeah,
and
the thing is,
there we are.
you didn't give Susan the winning ticket.
That's the problem.
That's
We were
the
quick
problem.
enough to shout, that was.
Yeah, we always ask for a winning ticket when we
They're
go.
all winners, it's whether they shout or not.
This is only a second time you've done
This
this.
is the second cruise. We set sail last week, that was the first one. And this is the second one now. So it's going to be every Wednesday throughout the season. For the moment, we're keeping the lineup schedule the same. Come on board, game of cash bingo. If people want to play bingo, they don't have to. Then the music quiz, little swim stop with food. And then on the way back now, I'll be doing my dances. So at the moment, I'll do like line dancing, the slosh. I think someone said it was called, I didn't know it was called that, but they call that in Scotland. That's what we'll be doing at the moment. And then going forward, if I get kids on in July and August, when we go down the family route, we'll just adapt it for more of the kids and the adults. So the normal bingo will change to music bingo, and the mini disco will be more focused on Macarena, Cha-Cha Slide, all them kind of ones, rather than the line dancing.
Because the other thing is, you've got food in a few minutes.
Yep, we got burgers in a minute, so they're just having a swim stop now at the back, and the slides out, and the inflatable pool, because we got an area at the back with a net, so it's enclosed
Safe.
as well, safe as well, and you got the slide then on the third floor.
There are no sharks in Bulgaria, don't worry.
No sharks. Few snakes, but no sharks. Yeah, so in a moment we're going to prepare the burgers, and then once everyone's fed, they're all dried off, then we'll start the party, going back then to shore, which is the party dances, for anyone who wants to get involved. Like I said, this is the main deck with the entertainment, but there's another 2 floors, so if this is not your cup of tea, you can go upstairs and chill on the chairs and drink, because it's all inclusive, beer, sangria and soft drinks, or you can go on the 3rd deck with the sunbed and just sunbathe. 3 different options,
Brilliant.
3 different floors.
So I wish you lots of success. We only just started this, something new for Sunny Beach.
Marvellous, thank you very much, I
Okay.
appreciate it.
What can I say, everybody? I've just got out the water. That was amazing experience. Oh my Lord, I can't explain what a great afternoon we're having. Just having a swim. People, they're not doing it now, but people have been going up and down that slide. They're just enjoying themselves. It's such a great atmosphere on this boat. It's wonderful. You must try it when you come. It's absolutely amazing, really is. Oh, it's lovely, and fresh salad and some green. Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera off a minute and chew through mine somehow, because obviously I've got my teeth being out, so I'm not going to film that. But they smell absolutely wonderful. We're going to eat them while they're hot.
Yeah, they look amazing. So we're going to enjoy these and then let you know afterwards how they were.
Never ready to go on the metro. Baby, I
The dancing was so much fun. I had a go, but my legs weren't coordinated.
want to go. You want to stay. I want to show you. Oh my, what a beautiful day.
Go.
Well, we have had an absolutely great afternoon. What about you, Wendy Stewart?
Brilliant. Actually, and his name's Steve.
Take two. Take two. We've had a great afternoon. What about you, Wendy? Have you enjoyed it?
Absolutely fantastic. Lee's made a really good effort and a really good job of all the entertainment and arranging everything. It's been wonderful.
It's been brilliant. What about you, Steve?
It's been great. I've really thoroughly enjoyed. Didn't know what to expect before we got here, but really glad we came. I'll definitely come again.
And it's the first time we've come on it. Well, it's the second time Lee's done it, but I can highly recommend it. What about you?
Oh, definitely. Anyone who comes, especially for families who haven't, it's not the wild side of the party scene, and it's great for all ages, to be honest.
Oh yeah, I agree with that. It's, well, for the more mature as well. You get a complete diversity of music and whatever entertainment. It's really good.
And I must say, you did very well in the music quiz, coming second. Well done.
We tried.
Anyway, so it's bon voyage, or is that when we leave? Anyway, it was a great afternoon.
Brilliant.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
And let's wish Lee all the luck for the season.
Oh, yeah, good luck, Lee.
Well, that was a great afternoon. We were first on the boat, and now we're last off the boat. But it was absolutely brilliant. Highly recommend that party boat, what Lee's doing. Well, we're all waiting for the bus now after an amazing afternoon out at sea. Did you enjoy it, Sheila?
Yes, I loved it very much.
And I must say, we all have to wish Sheila a happy
60th today,
60th birthday.
Yeah,
That was a brilliant way to spend your birthday, wasn't it?
it was a very good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's brilliant. So we're all waiting for the bus now after a great afternoon.
On the sea.
See.
Bye.
Oh, and Michelle's been with us on the party boat. Have you had a good afternoon, Michelle?
Absolutely fantastic. Thoroughly loved the slide. The weather was fantastic. And those burgers, to die for.
Oh, those burgers, the food was lovely, wasn't it?
It was exceptional considering they were like that thick.
Oh, did you have a drink?
I had a few drinky poos, I might have done. I might have partaken.
Don't forget to mention Michelle's wonderful sandals.
Oh!
Look.
Let's have a look at Michelle's
Gorgeous
sandals.
sandals. They are very special, Michelle.
And if you can't tell, we live on the Wirral, which is in between of Liverpool and Wales. That's why we have a slight accent.
Well, that's brilliant. I'm sure everybody, all our subscribers will understand every word after you drinky poos.
Thank you very much.
Would you recommend the party boat?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's not just for It's for the whole family. You know, if you want to take your children, there's games there. If you just want to have something more than a chill, where it's good laugh, you can play your bingo. Line dancing, to me, it's bloody aerobics. I've never done so much exercise, but it was a hoot. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
I can't do line dancing, my legs don't seem to coordinate.
Mine still do, luckily.
Oh, that's brilliant. So take it from Michelle. Thank you very much. Come to have a night out, an afternoon out on the party boat.
Absolutely fantastic.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Right, everybody, getting back on the bus after a great afternoon out at sea on the party boat. Yay! Yay! 2, 3. Thank you very much. Have you all had a good time? And it was an amazing afternoon, so well done to Lee, and we've made some new friends on board. Everybody was having such a good time. Brilliant.
Yeah, people learnt a bit of new dancing as well. So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
It's hopeless, isn't it? It's hopeless here.
Stand there, Don. Stand there. Stand there. You stand. We really enjoyed making this video today. The boat trip was absolutely amazing. So if you're into your 80s vibes, do book that trip. Lee, the host, is absolutely amazing. He'll teach you some new dance moves. It's brilliant. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos in 2026. Thank you, everybody.